Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to simply add post into WordPress website using Python language. So let's create new folder named WordPress Automation and go here. We have nothing here, see, and we will create new add post simply Python file. First, we need to import some libraries to make like client post request or to get password. This is RPC with what we will do post request and get pass library. What will we can get password from this library. Let's create post content. This is variable. It's a dictionary with keys title. It's the title of our post. Create title post 1 and the description. It's a description of post 1. Let's finish by this line. Okay, and let's create some configuration as we're going to post something into our website. We need to know the username and password, what has admin or editing access. First we need to create the URL. What is like HTTPS? I have my website, it's worth for testing, but we need to put at the end of your website URL XML RPC PHP. This is the server inside our website. Let's put here username too. This is mine. You should write here your own, and password. I will not show you my password. I will type it. But you can write your password here like this. I don't know. Let's get our password because I want to get from console. Get pass will make my job easy. Get pass is a function what will type some will show as some text. Type your password. We will see this line and we can pass our password. This line will return password and it will be equal to config with password. If we are going to create new post, this means that our post ID isn't defined. This is an empty post ID. And status, if we want to right now publish it, we should status published set 1, and after that we can create server XML RPC lib is server proxy what has config URL. It has only this argument is enough to make post request. and let's say server meta web blog new post. This function will make post instead of us, but let's tell him what we are going to create. Post ID is nothing. Config, we should put credentials, username, and we should put here repeat password to post content is the important thing. This is the content, and status published. Let's just make it more more readability. Okay, we can see, and let's print about our work that it's completed posting. You know what, so this function returns post ID, and I want to see it. So let's post ID is equal to return the ID. I mean, you can write it or like new ID, it's not no matter, but we can check if it's the same. Let's see our website that it hasn't any posts that are like this one of WordPress.com. We have only one post. Let's log in and see admin panel. This is the username, this is password. I copied it so it's inside my clipboard. I copied it before capturing this video. Okay, we have here posts. Let's see all posts. Oh, see, 1 and 5 are trashed. Okay, let's call our script. Oh, we have something bad. We is the same. It's line 12. Let's go to 12. Oh, we haven't put here comma. Let's run again. See, it asked password. I have posted it and just wait. Oh, completed posting 321. Now let's refresh. Oh, we have title post 1. It has the same content. Let's check if it's seen from our side. Yeah, it's here. Title post here, July 12, 2020. Oh yes, and the date is the same. I want to show you my Python version, and my machine is Linux 16. That's it. If you have any questions about this script, if I did anything wrong, and I know I did grammar mistakes, English isn't my native language, please write below. If you want to know anything else, I'm asking you to put like button if this video somehow helped you or gave you some information. If you want to know more about automating posts for WordPress site or automating just subscribe. I'm going to show you next video next week. It will show you how to enhance this script. We will read from files some content and will send many posts into our website. Then we will read it from the database, or this is interesting things that I want to show you, how to get posts from Facebook social network and post it into WordPress. I will show you then how to put Instagram posts. So it's just channel that will show you how to automate some of your jobs if you are a beginner but you want to do it programmatically and you don't want to lose your money. I mean, don't waste your money for automated tools. You can create your own. If you are a beginner programmer, these videos can help you just to program, because I'm showing how I think, how I write code, and this is it. If you want to copy this script, I will put it in the description. I will put into my blog, like, so you can copy it anytime you want. Please write below some comments if you are interested in these videos. Thank you for watching. Sorry again, and bye bye.